So today we are looking at the kitchen hot water tap with Mark McManus from Stiebel Eltron.
Hi.
Stiebel Eltron have been making hot water heaters for nearly 100 years, so they're real experts in this. So Mark, this looks fantastic, but tell me, what is so exciting about this tap?
Oh, well, we're really excited about this tap because we think it's perfect for any kitchen. The product delivers instantaneous, very hot water, so it's perfect for making tea and coffee directly from the tap. No standing around waiting for the kettle to boil anymore. It delivers hot water at the perfect temperature for making tea and coffee as well, so directly to the cup. It gets delivered with a standard 3-in-1 tap, so we have hot and cold water directly from the tap on this side. On this side of the tap, it delivers the very hot water, so you can make your tea and coffee directly from the tap. And best of all, it's simple to install.
That sounds fantastic. So that is real hot water, that's 95 degrees.
Yeah, absolutely.
So if I have children, is that safe? Or I have guests coming to visit and they don't know how it works?
Yeah, I can see where you're coming from, but absolutely, the product has been designed with a lot of safety features built in. So a couple of them I can demonstrate straight away. So on this side of the tap, if I press this button here, this is a child lock. And if I twist it, that's when the very hot water gets delivered. If I don't twist that and press the button, then obviously no hot water comes through the tap itself. We also have the delivery of the very hot water through a Teflon tube through the middle of the tap, which means that when we're delivering the hot water through the tap is always cool to the touch. The final safety feature we've got is that any very hot water that's in the tap, the residual hot water, actually goes back into the water heater. So there's no residual water left in the tap. That means there's no burst of steam or hot water, so no children or anyone that's vulnerable can get hurt from the product. Perfect.
So I can make myself tea and coffee from this tap, but what else can I do?
So we're incredibly proud of this product because we found it's really labour saving. People use this for food preparation, so preparing vegetables. It's also good for the pastas and the cup of soups and things, the snack type things that people enjoy. Also preparing pasta itself, and rice is quite common, but also in a winter's evening people are also putting the hot water bottles and creating hot water bottles from it as well. But equally, it's also good for sterilisation and for deep cleaning as well.
Amazing. So how much hot water can I actually get from this tap?
So the container that we have, the water heater itself, is a 2.6 litre water heater. So that would actually deliver, if you look at a standard cup, that's about 150 millilitres in a standard cup. So actually, it'll deliver a lot of hot water. It'll certainly cover off any family party or anything of that sort of size.
That's great. Now this looks great in chrome, but can I get any other finishes?
Yeah, so we've got it here in chrome, as you rightly say, but we also have a second tap which is in brushed stainless steel, which is a very modern finish to it. So to answer your question, we've got 2 different tap options.
Now, this all sounds perfect for a brand new kitchen.
Yeah.
You have your surfaces nice and clear, but I love this tap. So can I get this fitted in my existing kitchen?
I think that's one of the great things about this product is that it's perfect for the retrofit installation. It's very simple to install. The unit itself is really slimline. It's only 145 millimetres deep, so it fits into any kitchen cupboard. It comes with a standard 3-pin plug, so it literally just plugs in. We have a cold feed connection to the water heater, and you have boiling water delivered from the Teflon tube up to the tap, and the tap will fit into any kitchen aperture.
So bills are a big consideration at the moment. Now, if this is on all of the time, how much is that going to cost us?
Yeah, I can understand the question. At the moment, people are really concerned about the money, but actually the product is incredibly well insulated. So it maintains the temperature of the water at 95 degrees for long periods of time. So really, if we're taking a tapping pattern of more than 3 litres per day, it can actually be cheaper than a kettle to run. What's also nice is that the product has a built-in timer. So actually, the unit only ever needs to be on at the times that you want it to be on. We can set it so it comes on in the morning and then goes off again in the afternoon and comes back in the evening when you're coming home from work.
Now, some people say that some hot water taps can taste a bit odd.
Yeah, absolutely, but not this one. So this one's made with a stainless steel container of a very high quality. So actually, you don't get any taste from the water heater itself. So no is the answer to this one.
So that sounds great.
Yep.
But I have one last question.
Okay.
If a 95-degree tap is good, then why isn't a 100-degree tap better?
Yeah, that's a great question. The first thing is, When we have a 95-degree tap, the delivery of hot water is much smoother. There's no bursts of steam or splashes of water that you get with a boiling water unit. Secondly, actually, the perfect temperature for hot water for tea and coffee is 95 degrees, not boiling. If we had a boiling water heater, we'd also need a lot of space under the sink to install it. So actually, it's space saving by having it this way as well. So they're the three main reasons as to why it's 95 degrees and not boiling water.
Well, that sounds fantastic.
Absolutely.
I think we should sample some tea.
Yeah, let's do that.